Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can catch shells to complete the shell catcher quest in the game of Roblox Kohana Expansion update. Okay, let's get into it guys. I'm going to show you one of the quests from the Kohana event. Okay, as you can see, there is a quest called Shell Catcher and you need to fish up 10 shells to complete this quest. And I'm going to show you guys how you can catch the shells. Okay, if you want to catch the shells, basically you just need to do fishing in the seashells area. Let me show you where you can find the shell. You can find the shell at the Fisherman Island and in the ocean and also Kohana. Okay, and you can do fishing at those three locations. You will be able to catch the conch shell and also the sea shell. Okay guys, and that's how you can catch the shells to complete the shell catcher mission or quest in Fish It Game of Roblox Kohana Expansion update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!